Good morning students. My name is Preeti Diya. I am your computer teacher. Today we are going to discuss first chapter of your computer. This one is your computer's books IT Planet Gigabyte, and your first chapter is about computer network. For computer network, first we have to know about communication. Normally, what is communication? Communication, it is a process in which two or more people share their knowledge, information and their ideas, etc. Then this is a process in which two or more people share their ideas. Normally, communication involves two things, sender and receiver. Who is sender? Who transmit the data, who give the information, who gives the idea. This one is sender. And who is receiver? Who receive the idea, who receive the information. Exactly these two things are involved in normally communications. And what is effective communication? When receiver receives exact information who send whatever sender wants to send, that is a effective communication. But we are going to discuss about computers, so we have to know about computer communication. And what is computer communication? It is a process in which one computer transfers data, instructions and informations to another computer. In normal communication, what is involved? Peoples are involved. And in computer communication, computers are involved. In both things, both are communication. That's why ट्रांसफर क्या हो रहा है? ट्रांसफर तो सेम थिंग्स हो रही हैं, डाटा, इंस्ट्रक्शंस, आइडिया, इंफॉर्मेशन. बट इन नॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन पीपल्स ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, और कंप्यूटर कम्युनिकेशन में कंप्यूटर ट्रांसफर्स कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर कंप्यूटर. Some communication involves cables and wires, others are sent wirelessly. In normal communication, peoples are using some by face to face and few are using telephones. In same way, computer communications, some are involves cables and wires, and some are sent wirelessly. For example, Bluetooth or share it. For successful computer communication, you need following components. First one, sender, communication channel, receiver and protocol. One by one we are going to discuss about these four components. First one is sender. What is sender? This one is a sending device. Means who send the information. Which one is send the information? That computer's called, that device called sender. And second one is communication channel or transmission media. Means by using what we are going to transmit the data, that is your transmission media. For example, cables, satellites. For example, cables, satellites are the example of communication channels or transmission media. Third one is your receiver. What is receiver? It is a receiving device that accepts the transmission of data. Means जो send करे, that is your sender device, and who receiver, that is your receiver device. And fourth one is a protocol. Be careful, please. What is a protocol? A communication protocol is a set of rules that allow two or more computer or entities of a communication system to transmit information. In other words, a set of rules or procedures for transmitting data between electronic device such as computers. प्रोटोकॉल क्या होते हैं? ये एक सेट ऑफ रूल्स हैं जो अलाउ करते हैं, जो प्रोसीजर है ये एक, कि हम डाटा को ट्रांसमिट कैसे करें इन बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस सच एज computers. For example, we are having two devices, but we can't transmit the data, we can't communicate between two devices without using protocol. For example, a person who knows only English language cannot communicate with that person who knows only Hindi language. If that person knows English language only, then you can communicate with that people. For example, and still you want who knows only Hindi language and you knows only English language, you need a transmitter, you need a protocol between you two peoples. This one is about your components of communication.